Hey everyone, welcome back to The Best Bite. Today we're going to be making a Mediterranean salad inside of like a pita. It's kind of like a take on a falafel, but a little bit easier and quick and easy kind of lunch. So to show you how quick and easy, I'm going to do this whole video in just one take. I've tried to have everything prepared already out. And so to get started, we're going to start by making a dressing. And so here I have about half a cup of regular yogurt, to which I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of tahini. And I want to go ahead and grab all that. Today you're going to get to see how messy of a cook I actually am. I like things spicy, so I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of sambal olek, or chili paste, a splash of lemon juice, as well as some salt and pepper. Shakes of that, and a couple of shakes of salt. And we're going to go ahead and mix that up. And to get us to the consistency that we probably want, which is going to be a little bit runnier, a little bit more liquidy. Right now it's a little thick. I'm going to just add some water. So I'm just using a squirt bottle to help me out. And just little bits at a time until you get the consistency that you like. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, the texture is kind of runny, which a dressing should be. And it's just a simple yogurt and tahini dressing. So we're going to keep that to the side for a second, and we're going to start on our filling. So I have 1 can of chickpeas. I have about half a cup of diced carrots, about 3/4 of a cup of diced bell peppers, probably a cup and a half of cucumbers, and about half a cup of celery. Now, none of these measurements are exact by any means. I'm using what I have in the pantry. You can also add other veggies that you like. I found that something like corn also goes really well, but you can experiment and see what you like. But we're gonna just take our veggie mixture and our dressing and just combine it. Into one. This is all dirty. Give it a good mix. Make sure all our veggies are coated. And that's our main filling. So I'm just going to keep that to the side for a second. We're almost ready for it. What we need to do now is kind of start setting up our pita. So I have these little taco wraps, which I'm going to use to set up my 2 pitas. Now, pitas can be tricky to work with because if you don't find a good one, they do start to rip and stuff. But here I have 2 pitas that I'm going to make. Along with our mixture, I also had these chicken tenders from Aldi, which I really like. So I'm going to chop some of those up and add that as a topping. Okay. And I'm also going to use some lettuce and some sliced tomatoes to help me finish this off. So bringing the pita back, I'm going to just put a couple of scoops of my mixture in there. fill it kind of to the top. Add some of my chicken bits, some lettuce, and some sliced tomatoes, however much you like. Now, got one more to do, then I'll be ready for lunch. So I got my filling. Chicken, tenders, some lettuce, and some sliced tomato. And that's it. So as you can see, really quick, really simple to make, nothing too fancy at all. You can reserve some of the sauce and then add it on the side or add it on top when you're ready to eat. Whatever, however you like it, either a little bit drier, a little bit more saucy. You can make a little bit more of the sauce. Just experiment with it. You can't go wrong here. But yeah, try it out and let me know what you think.